All right, I'm back to my own property. Now, I wasn't here last night during the rain, so let's do a quick inspection. I'm opening everything up, see if my windows managed to stay watertight. It was coming down, let me tell you. Oh, I forgot to look. I'll look and see how much. All right, well, that's good news, isn't it? So I still see that it's seeping, and that's because I have not yet Thompson Water Sealed the outside. So capillary action, it's coming in, but it's not leaking like there's not puddles on the floor. I'll fix that. So as far as the seepage coming through the windows, I do have a solution, and I'm gonna do some testing. I'm waiting for one more product to come in, but I have these various wood hardeners in here, and my thought is that cedar, once I get a wood hardener in it, it won't allow the moisture to wick in through capillary action. So I have several different varieties, and I'm waiting, I think, for one more, and then of course I've got the Thompson Water Seal. So that is one thing that I'm going to do, and so I'll put these down on a board, stripe each one of them. Then I'll stripe half of the board with the Thompson Water Seal. I'll see what color it turns, if any, because I don't want to turn colors. And then lastly, over the top of the windows, at least the stained glass windows and the all the stained glass windows, I have this UV plastic, and I wanted hurricane grade plastic or windows. I can't find storm windows like that, but I did want them. I might drive to the coast and look around. But anyway, I found this, and I'm going to build little cedar frames around it and embed those in. And then there'll be little storm windows over the top of each one of these, which will also push and keep the water out. And lastly, of course, once I get done with, all the physical work in here, then out here I'm going to wrap this in earth bag, probably hyper adobe, which will give me 12 to 15 inches more out, and to tie it together so the water will even be shooed further out. And that should do it. I'll have a poured concrete roof. I'll have all the rain running down to various gutter systems, and I'll capture it. And I think that'll take care of it. So the windows are doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy, but pretty good isn't what I want for a 1,000-year home. They have to be absolutely dry. And I'll get there with these additional steps. Feeling good about it. All right, this is Steve at 1,000-Year Home. Thank you for watching for this weekend review. I just wanted to take a look at those windows again. Every time it rains, I look. You never know. Perhaps one of my seals are failing. Once I get it wrapped in adobe, I'll feel real good about it. So Hank got his oats, right? Buddy, he's pretty happy. We're pretty happy. Got another storm front coming through, so we're all tucked in here. He's going to hang out here, I bet you, the rest of the day. He is not a big fan of storms. He blames me when it rains. I could just see he just pouts a little bit when it rains. This one didn't leak at all. Everything that's on it is old. No water at all. All right. Oh, look, I left that window open. But still, that's really good. Even though I left that window open, and I don't even have the earth bag on there, it was enough of, if the wind had changed and been unfavorable, I would have had water in here. Yep, no water. Well, I opened this door up this morning already, so to look at it, no water. All right. And this is why I put this bed in here to see if it fits. It does, sort of. Well, it fits. I could say that it fits. But I don't know. I might get a smaller bed to make a little room. I don't know. That bed's going into my master bedroom, which is a little larger. That's going to be my office with a sofa bed, sort of, kind of a thing, chase lounge, something like that in there. So, but listen, no water damage. That is so good to know, because Wow, I went through 5 inches in 24 hours, and it didn't have any water damage except what I saw right there, that little bit of seepage. And these are untreated. These timbers are untreated. So I need to get in here, and I bought 4 different kinds of wood hardeners, and I'm going to do a test on those, and then I'll put a Thompson Water Seal over the top, and then I'll treat all of these windows. You know, that where the little spots are right there, I'm going to build a little wood portico in there that kind of feels Spanish mission-y, old style, maybe some rivets in it. I don't know. I haven't done the design, but I'm going to use mesquite to make that design. The door is fine. Man, I'm excited. All right. Well, let me mix up these handful of videos. What did I do? Oh, I got a new lens. I'm using it right now, wide angle. So let me go ahead and mix these videos all up. So it'll be a little hodgepodge, but not bad. I knew the storm was coming, so I got everything done that I wanted to ahead of the storm. So I checked the grade on the other property that I'm working on. Needs a little deeper, a little bigger. I knew that. But I just wanted to see, validate, have the water press down the loose soil. I wanted to get a feel for it. I was glad to see it did exactly what I wanted. Oh, this automatic zoom. I need to disable that last. Whatever's going on with automatic zoom, I need to fix that. So, what else? Oh, it's not leaking here. That's good. That's real good. Took care of, I just did a lot of, running out of electrical supplies. So I did stop late last night when I did the long, stop motion of me driving into town. I stopped and, it was about 22 minutes between here and there, but, 5 o'clock sharp, the lumber yard was closed. So I need electrical supplies. I'm going to buy them from Amazon. But I also need some conduit. So I'm going to go to the big city, 60 miles. This weekend, I'm going to a hippie festival because I'm an old hippie. I know I don't look it, do I? But I am. All right. Like, subscribe. Thanks once again. Bye. Speaking of old Hank, I have to spend just a minute talking about my front door here because these didn't exist until I left last night. And I know sure well that it's not some shotgun shots. I know that this old guy got stuck inside here, got a little anxiety, and was trying to chew his way inside my Connex, or inside my pop-up trailer, and I wasn't even home. So the thing about a horse, you can't punish them after the fact. They don't know what you're punishing them over. You got to catch them in the act, and I have not caught him in the act of this, but oh my gosh, aggravating. His little teeth. I could see his little teeth marks right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, Hank. Horses are kind of funny with their anxiety. They really are.